Our parents own the headlines, but they don't own us.
We built this clubhouse to get away. Now, we're using it to save the world.
All right, time to cash in.
Shields activated. Invisibility mode activated.
Let's pick up Sam and return to the portal.
The children of Earth are so predictable. They think they've found a sanctuary, but they've only built me a cage.
Alex, you're the key. The rest are just noise I need to filter out.
Unit 7, intercept at the tree line. Do not damage the cargo. I need their creativity intact.
Hold on! The steering yoke is fighting me! It's like the road is, vibrating!
Forget the capture. Open a Type 4 singularity right under them. Initiate the harvest protocol, now.
They're not just reacting, they're charging. The Heka here is, it's pure. Okay, if the active camo is dead, we use misdirection. Old school. Okay, we're grounded. The van is our fortress, but to find Alex, we have to become explorers. Jax, you lead with the Heka signature.
It's beautiful and terrifying. This is where he went. Terrain is unstable. Grade 6 gravity shear. We can't drive across, and we can't jump it. Jax, give me a tether point. Stay in my line. If you hit a gravity pocket, don't fight it. Ride it. No! Get back! Calculated the wind shear. You're clear, Sam.
The gear ratios are wrong. The Heka flow needs to be symmetrical. If we bridge the gap at the pivot point, it becomes unstoppable.
Excellence, Alex. You see the rhythm of the machine. Why go back to a world where they hide secrets from you, when here, you are the secret?
Hold on, we're coming!
His connection to the others is a virus. Purge it. I want the architect, not the boy.
It's not seamless, it's breathing. There's a thermal exhaust port at level 40. If we can reach the ventilation shaft, we have a chance.
This stone anchors our reality against the Heka. It should hold the grid at bay, but only for a few minutes.
I'm leading the line. Jax, keep that stone stable. Zoe, watch my 6. Calculated the patrol vectors. If anything gets close, I'll make sure it pull a vanishing act.
They crossed the Crystal Gorge? Impossible. That terrain was designed to be a mathematical dead end.